Hello everyone, in front of me is LG Q70 and let me show you how to add a fingerprint. So at first open the settings, then find and select lock screen and security, and here you will notice fingerprints. Click to activate it, tap on next, and now you need to add some backup to your fingerprint. It can be pattern, pin code or the password. Let me choose pattern. And now draw the unlock pattern that you wish to have, tap on next, and now re-enter this pattern just to confirm. And click on confirm. Here you can manage your notification content. Let me hide everything. Click on OK. And now it's time to place your fingerprint on the sensor. So as you can see, it is located on the back cover right here. And you just need to keep tapping like this till it is fully added. Here you can observe the progress. And now tap on OK. And as you can see from now on, you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.